Hi, I am going to give you a testimonial about Amir and my experience selling one of my properties. I ran into a situation where I needed to sell a property for personal and emotional reasons. It was a rental property and it was actually occupied. I was ready to get rid of it because I had had a death in my family and I had previously lived there as one of my homes, even though I didn't live there at the time. And the renter in it was giving me a lot of headaches. And so I located Amir. I had come to know his company. And he immediately went to the home, checked it, negotiated with the tenant for me. I literally had to do nothing. He was able to enter the property just by speaking to her on the phone and setting an appointment. And then he covered all of the closing costs. When I was concerned about the selling price, he reassured me, and we made sure that everyone felt safe and secure with the final price. And really, you can wait until the ideal moment to sell something, but sometimes that moment doesn't come for certain reasons, and that's where somebody like Amir and his company can really step in and help you get that situation resolved to reduce stress and save you time in your lives. Thank you.